Similar to problem number one, we see the table shows the amount of money made by a summer blockbuster in each of the 4 weeks of its theatrical release. And they're just talking about what did they make in that week. Okay, so in the first week, they did really well. They made 19,600,000. Second week, not as much, 7,800,000. Third week, it's dropping significantly. From here to here, it's dropped over 10,000. Take it from here to here, it's dropped about four and a half. I'm sorry, 10 million rather. I think I said thousand. Here it's dropping 4.5 million ish. Here it's dropping by less than 2 million. So the decrease is becoming less each time, but it's decreasing. And why does that matter? Well, that matters because we should see a decrease as one variable increases, the number of weeks increases. We should see the amount of money being made decreasing. And that will be a negative slope, and B and D have positive slopes. As one variable increases, the other increases. That's not what's happening. As the number of weeks increases, the total money, I'm sorry, the money per week decreases. So we need a negative slope, but it's not decreasing by the same amount every time. If it was decreasing by the same amount every time, we would have this linear situation, dropping the same amount for every week that we increase. But it's not dropping the same amount. We see that on C, it's dropping by a significant amount the first week. And we can follow that over. We can say week one, what does it do? It's there. Week two, what's it do? It's there. You can see what the decrease was each time. Okay, and you can see that between the first and second week, the decrease was that much. Between the second and third week, it was less. And between the third and fourth week, it was even less. That's the scenario we're dealing with, looking at the table. So we can say it's not decreasing in a linear fashion. Every time the number of weeks goes up, it drops by the exact same amount. But we're dealing with this situation as a curve where as the number of weeks goes up, the amount of money that's made that week drops less each time. So we've got an answer of C, and we're done.